Introducing boAt Immortal 121 TWS gaming earbud in the color Black Saber. It is also available in white saber color. The box includes user manual, warranty card, additional earbuds, charging cable and Immortal 121. It comes equipped with Beast mode to offer super low latency of 40 milliseconds. The boAt signature sound experience helps you conquer different levels on your gaming missions with Bluetooth version 5.3. Get a total playtime of up to 40 hours including 10 hours of playtime per charge. ASAP charge tech helps the earbuds go garner up to 180 minutes of playtime in just 10 minutes. It comes equipped with ANX tech-enabled quad mics for a superior calling experience. Set your surrounding vibes the way you want along with the earbuds equipped with the blazing LED. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using UPI, debit, credit card, Amazon Pay and net banking. For AMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.